Good morning, it's Monday and it's the PrimeCap Daily. This week we will probably be spending most of our time talking to our clients about the budget. So on the 29th of October, Chancellor Hammond will be talking to us about where he's intending on spending various bits and pieces over the coming year. You might think that there's going to be a lot of information coming out between now and then, between today, the 22nd and the 29th. And you're right, but what we're interested in is framing a conversation with our clients that will be relevant to them when it comes to making decisions to exchange their currency. So if we have an importer of spirits and wines bringing in Sambuca from Cyprus, they are going to be paying X number of euros in the coming few weeks. Something like the budget serves as a very interesting deadline, because between now and then, speculation over its contents, and then after its release, digestion of what it revealed will move rates of exchange up or down. So we might say to our client, if you are not interested in having to weather or suffer or navigate that turbulence or that volatility, then exchanging your currency now is not a bad thing. We would also look at the current rate of exchange. So euro at the moment against the pound is at 113.20, roughly, as we speak to you. A couple of weeks ago, it was down below the 113 mark. So in a relative sense, the euro has lost a wee bit of ground. The pound is fractionally up. Obviously, between now and the release of the budget data, there will be all manner of wrangling, our new favourite word, over Mrs May's position, over the UK's negotiation with its European counterparts, over the exit of the European Union. All of this could serve to knock or chip away at the value of the pound. And so our clients need to be aware that if now represents reasonable value to exchange their currency, then there are potential risks. Against the US dollar, the pound is at 130 also. And we're aware, and we constantly say that it's a pretty positive US dollar story at the moment in terms of growth. We wonder what sanctions, in inverted commas, will be or could be imposed on the Saudis following the Khashoggi revelations with regards to the Turkish consulate. Now, of course, that doesn't necessarily have much effect on rates of exchange, but if the Saudis and the US start squaring off to each other and calling each other's bluff, it could very well have an effect on global appetite for risk and market sentiment. We'll be reverting back to a little bit more detail on the economic data front in the coming days, but as we say, the prevalent conversation, and one of the first things that we'll be talking to our clients around about, whether they are corporate or indeed private clients, is the budget, because it is a bit of a landmark when it comes to movements in rates of exchange. Any questions, please call or post, and we look forward to talking to you tomorrow.